In today's video, I am going to teach you how to preview customization for objects. This is a useful workflow when you are changing how a record looks, and you want to confirm the layout appears correctly before you finalize anything. The key idea is that you can preview your changes as different people or teams, so you can catch visibility issues early and make sure the experience is consistent. To begin, go to Settings by selecting the gear icon. From there, open Objects. In the list of objects, select the Contacts object. This is where you will manage how contact records are displayed and customized. Once you are inside the Contacts object settings, find and click Record Customization. This area is where you can adjust how the record view is arranged. Focus on customizing the middle column, since that is typically where the primary details and important fields appear. As you make changes, move carefully and pay attention to what you place in that center area, because it often affects readability and how quickly someone can understand a record at a glance. It also helps to keep related information grouped together, so the layout feels organized. After you have made your adjustments in the middle column, click the name of the view you are working on. This makes sure you are editing the correct record view, especially if there are multiple views or variations available. Next, look to the top right and click Preview. The preview shows you what the record will look like when someone actually opens it, based on your current customization. Take a moment to scan the page for spacing, section order, and whether the information feels easy to find. In the preview, click the Preview as dropdown. Use this to select a specific team or user. This is important because different users may have different permissions or assignments, and the record can display differently depending on who is viewing it. Selecting a user or team helps you validate that the layout and information appear as intended for that audience. When you are finished reviewing, click the X in the top right to close the preview and return to the editor. From there, you can continue adjusting the layout as needed. That covers everything you need to know.